Whoa! It's going to be a beautiful day. Yeah, we're going on a quick spin here with Dylan. He's never ridden up in this area before, so it should be good.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, I think we're ready to roll.
Oh man.
Yeah, you don't want to go over that edge.
No, that's nerve-wracking even going out here.
Yeah. And I've seen people standing on, you know, the last couple of boards, and I always visualize them just sliding off. And
what a view. That's incredible. You can pretty much see Salmon Arm almost.
yes. Yeah, Tappan Bay. Yeah, the Shark Shack and the Sea Store down at the Narrows.
Oh yeah.
And you can see down towards Kamloops. Yeah, so I'm going to follow Dylan here for a bit. We're still on a bit of the downhill in this section. Of course, we have the erosion ditches, the G-outs, that we have to watch out for. But otherwise, pretty straightforward. Yeah, Dylan used to ride, had a YZ250. And I think he did the odd hare scramble with it. So, you know, he's a capable rider. And I think he's enjoying it. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Yeah, so we made it to the cabin, the Queest Snowmobile Club cabin, the emergency shelter, which has that very nice stove in it, keeps nice and toasty in the winter. Yeah, very good. So Dylan, you're enjoying the ride so far?
It's incredible, yeah.
Good stuff. So we're going to see if we can get up to the peak and if we can see anything or if it's just going to be all in cloud.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we made it to the peak up on Queest Mountain, and I want to know, what time is liftoff for the rocket here?
T-minus 2050.
Yeah, I don't want to be anywhere around when it takes off. Well, at least we got a little bit of a view here. The clouds are pretty well obscuring everything towards Kamloops and beyond to Malaqua, but a little bit of an opening in the clouds here. And yeah, this is all good sledding territory in here.
Yeah, nice spot.
Yeah, this spot is what used to be an old rec sites and trails backcountry spot, but I don't think it's been maintained for several years. Yeah, we'll follow Dylan for a bit here. On the way back down, that was sure nice getting up to the peak. And of course up to the cabin. Always good to get to the cabin, check things out, make sure everything's still working in there. Of course we got the solar powered lighting and so on. Even have a light in the outhouse because in the winter you have very short days, so you're often snowmobiling in darkness. And kind of nice to be able to see what you're doing. Oh yeah, Dylan's got the flow here. He's got the flow. Yeah, this is a nice little shortcut here through to the main road, so you don't have to worry about car and truck traffic coming through. Not sure how recently this trail was cleared. It looks like certainly this year sometime. There can be lots of branches after a winter. Yeah, back on the trail again here. Too bad we lost some of it there from the logging, but this is all good stuff. Once again, a nice little shortcut through to the main road. A great run. I know Dylan enjoyed it. Some really good scenery. Unfortunately a little bit fogged in up top, but still lots of good stuff to see. Well, Dylan, boy, you can sure feel the heat down here.
Yeah, it's a lot different.
Yeah.
You can feel it come up.
Yeah, that's it. But boy, that was a great run.
Oh, it was amazing. What a
we did it.
spot, eh?
Oh, yeah. So until next time, that is a wrap.
Yeah.